Hey everyone, if you want to create your first notebook in NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a notebook and prepare it for AI-powered research. A notebook is a workspace where you can store sources, ask questions, generate summaries, and organize information around a specific topic or project. Start by opening NotebookLM in your web browser and signing in with your Google account. On the main dashboard, click the Create Notebook button to begin. Choose a clear and descriptive name that matches your topic, research project, class, or business task. Upload documents, PDFs, Google Docs, websites, or text files that you want NotebookLM to analyze. NotebookLM will automatically process and index your sources so they can be used by the AI. Once processing is complete, you'll see your sources, chat area, notes section, and AI tools. Use the chat box to ask questions about your uploaded content and receive source-based answers. Save useful responses, highlights, and insights to keep your research organized. For the best results, create separate notebooks for different topics and upload high-quality sources. A common mistake is creating one notebook for multiple unrelated topics, which can make information harder to manage. And that's it. You've successfully created your first notebook in NotebookLM in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.